Yay!
Hooray!
Yay! What happened to your wrist?
I fell.
My brother Michael is here. Yay! And basically whenever he comes and visits, it's like a huge food week. So he's here for like 5 days and then he's heading up to go to a wedding. But just wanted to share with you guys what we get up to, what foods we eat, and it's just gonna be a fun couple of days. Friday for lunch, we had tonkatsu, which is a Japanese breaded pork cutlet. We had it with some shredded cabbage and some rice. This sauce is a must. You have to have it with it, and I like to put it on top of my cabbage. And this hot mustard. Super tasty, super juicy, one of my favorites. For dinner, we had some Vietnamese summer rolls. I picked this lettuce from my garden and the mint. It's a super fun dish to make, really light and refreshing and perfect for summer. We played some Catan and had a Brunello, which is an Italian wine from central Italy.
Two sheep. Please, won't anyone take my sheep? No, that's crazy talk.
No, he's got 7. He's got 9.
He's got 6. Here's
Winner of game 1, winner of game 2.
Here's the role distribution.
Loser of game 1 and 2.
Okay, this is what we're talking about. Are cyclists snooty? Is that stereotype real? We've been thinking about that because like when people pass you, they're like they give off a vibe, they're like, move on your left. I'm going. Halfway point. Yay. He looks so sleepy. For lunch, we had naengmyeon, which is a Korean cold buckwheat noodle. We had it with some Korean barbecue called senggogi, which doesn't have a marinade on it. Because we had such a late lunch, we just had some cheese and wine for dinner. We had pouilly-fumé, which is a Sauvignon Blanc from the Loire Valley in France. Sunday for lunch, we had grilled hamachi kama, which is yellowtail collar. We had it with the kimchi that I made and some pea tips. Maybe have it as an appetizer. For dinner, we had Mediterranean. I made a tomato, cucumber, parsley salad and hummus. And Michael bought a baba ganoush from the farmer's market. Monday, I picked some lettuce from our garden and I made a soba salad with grilled vegetables and a rack of lamb. And then from the mint from our garden, I made an iced mint tea.
The rosé.
The rosé. So local Cincinnati wine. Monday's dinner was pretty light. We had seafood jjigae, a Korean stew. We had the pea tips from lunch, and we had steamed 깻잎, or perilla leaves from our garden. Tuesday for lunch, I picked a bunch of green onions from our garden, and I made pajeon, which is a scallion or green onion pancake.
So when they say pajeon, it's actually like
real pot.
pot.
Yeah, but there is
Hammered pajeon, right?
there is a gochujang, right? From our garden.
For dinner, we had Japanese curry. And then for dessert, we had watermelon. For Michael's last meal, I picked some basil and I made some delicious bruschetta on some yummy French bread from the farmer's market. He's going.
Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
I'll see you in like literally 10 days, right? Okay, bye, Michael. Get there safe. Text me when you get there.
Her Wednesday usual La Mexicana.
The size of this thing is so big.
Need to go to the gym to lift it up.
Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day. This is dinner. Yum, yum, yum. This is al pastor and this is lengua. All right, doing a lengua taco first. Let's see if I can do this prettily. It's tongue, but it's super good. People get freaked out. It's one of my favorites. And I even got him to eat them too.
Oh yeah, I like it.
So good. It's so big.
That's what she said.
You know, that's going to be in so many videos now. Thursday was all about leftovers, yellowtail collar, vegetables, and the pajan. Last meal of the week. We're still doing leftovers. So this is the leftover tigre. As David Chang would say, ugly delicious. I think honestly for the next couple of days I have a lot of leftovers. We're using a lot of like leftover ingredients that I thought I was gonna cook but I never got to. It's funny, I really didn't have that much breakfast this week. Not that much breakfast. And I think just because I was eating so well, lunch and dinner. So I really just had some coffee in the mornings. But yeah, it was a fun week with Michael. I'm gonna see him again soon. Wow, I eat so fast. That's what I eat in a week. Please like and subscribe to my channel, The Somm Next Door, and I will catch you guys later.